Hello guys! So welcome ulit sa ating new video lesson. So kung bago pa lang kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to hit like, comment, share the video, and click the subscribe button. So huwag niyo na rin kakalimutan i-click ang bell button para updated kayo lagi sa mga new uploaded videos dito sa aking YouTube channel. Alright, so ngayon, ang ating lesson is about Microsoft Office PowerPoint. We'll be discussing about the advanced presentation skills, which is adding hyperlinks, embedding files and data, and custom animation. Alright, so at the end of this lesson, the students should be able to use hyperlinks to improve their PowerPoint presentation, embed files and data to their PowerPoint presentation, and maximize PowerPoint presentation as an effective visual aid tool. What is a presentation software? It is a computer program used to organize and present information. It allows you to communicate your ideas effectively. Right, so this is a program tool that we use to present our information visually, right, with animation, with graphics or pictures in the slides. So what are the examples of presentation software? So we have Microsoft PowerPoint, Prezi, Google Slides, OpenOffice Impress, SlideBean, and Haiku Deck. So there's a lot of presentation software that is available also online, and also we can purchase, all right, the installer, okay, from the shop or computer shops. What is a PowerPoint? It is the most popular programs in the Microsoft Office application. Presentation software most useful in making reports, visual aids, and interesting lessons. Produces professional-looking presentations that give everything you need, including text handling, drawing, outline layout, clip, and etc. Alright, so this is a program from Microsoft Office, okay, a presentation software that we use to create the reports, visual aids, and our lessons, to make it more interactive, to make it more attractive to the audience. What are the features of Microsoft PowerPoint? We can create designs and layouts, create charts, tables, and organizational charts. We can also format or apply a formatting to change the physical appearance of our text and the alignment of our text in our PowerPoint. We can also embed links or add links in our presentation if you want to go to another slides, or you want to open a new window. So we can use hyperlinks for this. Next is incorporate sounds and videos into a slideshow. So to make it more attractive, to make it more interesting to the audience, we can incorporate sounds and videos to our slideshow. Alright, so with this PowerPoint Office or Microsoft Office PowerPoint, we can create multimedia. So we can also create our own digital album. And we can also create PowerPoint games like Game Ka Na Ba, GeoFRD, The Weakest Link. Ayan, so yun yung mga wheel of names. Also, we can create it using the PowerPoint. And also we can edit the photos. So like for example, if we want to change the background, or if we want to remove the background of a photo, so we can do that using the PowerPoint presentation. And we can also resize or change the size of our photos, okay, in Microsoft PowerPoint. We can have also a digital brochure. We can create animation or simple digital animation like a cartoon animation. So we can do that. And also we can create GIF file in PowerPoint. And also we can do or create tutorial videos. So like what I am doing right now, I can do a recording, okay, of my presentation, and I can do also screen recording of my laptop if I want to discuss something, or if I want to have like a video tutorial of something. Okay, so we can do that using the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so what can you do in PowerPoint? So we can do a slideshow presentation. So you can include the slide transitions, animation, sounds, timing, and other on-screen features perfect for school or office presentation. We can have the printout, so we can give a hard copy, okay, printouts of our handouts, outlines, and the speaker's notes to our audience. Then we can have the overhead transparencies. So this presentation can be printed directly on transparencies. Components of a PowerPoint presentation. So first we have the presentation. So it is the entire collection of slides, handout, speakers, notes, and outline all in one file. In other words, we called our file a presentation. So isa na siyang buo. Andun na lahat. Okay? Lahat ng nilagay natin, yung handout, speaker notes, outline, okay, of our presentation. So we called it presentation, the file itself. Okay, then slides, these are the individual pages of presentation. That is why sometimes you can hear other people say, sinasabi na next slide please, go to slide 4, something like that. So yun yung parang individual pages sa presentation, but we called it slides. So it includes text, graphics, objects, clip arts, animations, and etc. Then handouts consists of a smaller printed version of your slide. So para magkaiba siya sa printouts natin. Okay, dito kasi it displays all the slides, okay, in one bond paper, kumbaga. So makikita niyo dyan lahat. If for example, you have 10 slides, so isahang buo siya. Okay, so you can print it ng isahang buo. Okay, ng slides natin. So that's what you called also handouts. Speaker notes. So good thing with this is with this PowerPoint presentation, it has a speaker notes where we can put some guides, okay, while we are presenting our presentation. So parang we can put there kung ano yung mga kailangan wag kakalimutan sabihin, okay, because it helps you as you go along when presenting your slides. Then outline, it is the blueprint of your presentation. So for the outline naman, it only displays the text, okay, and the objects, okay, sa inyong slides. Okay, hindi mo siya hindi natin makikita yung animations, okay, kapag nasa outline view siya. Of the object, so these are the things that we put into our slides. Okay, it includes, or it could be audio, clip art, graphics, illustrations, drawings, charts, and video clips. So, yun yung mga bagay na nilalagay natin sa slides natin. Just like this. So, we have the text, we have the graphics or the pictures, and we have also videos and sounds. Transition. So it is a special effect used to introduce a slide during a slideshow. So for example, you can fade in from black or dissolve from one slide to another. So there's a lot of available transition, okay, sa Microsoft PowerPoint that you can apply. Okay, if you want to have like an transition effect in your slide, just like what you are seeing right now. Okay, ito as an example. So ganyan yung effect ng transition. So a series of slides displayed in sequence. A slideshow can be controlled manually or automatically. So just like what I am doing right now, okay? Right now kasi parang naka-record ako, but naka-slideshow siya. So yung talaga nakikita natin sa projector, okay? It can be controlled or navigate manually or automatically. Kaya makikita nyo, diba, isa siyang malaking presentation. So naka-slideshow na siya. So makikita na natin dyan yung transition effects, then the animations applied doon sa text or graphics sa ating presentation. Pindot natin yung F5 para doon, okay? Then, yeah, means viewing each slide of presentation. So, kada slide na makikita na natin yung presentation natin during the slideshow view. Okay, so ayun na nga, again, we click F5 sa ating keyboard, okay, to present the Microsoft PowerPoint as a slideshow. Then we have the animation, so it is a special sound or visual effect that you can add to a slide. So you can see some other presentations or slides. There's moving text or graphics, so we call that animation. The layout, so it is the specific arrangement of text and images on a slide. So layouts can be very simple, consisting of simple titles and text, or they can be more complex and it include elaborate colors and images. So when we are creating a presentation, okay, so usually ang ginagawa natin, we think, okay, or we create our layout first, diba? Kasi it's very important for us to know where to put the text and the graphics properly sa ating presentation para mas maganda siyang tingnan. Just like what you are seeing right now. So with this layout, so I have my title, okay, and the explanation or the description of this word. So ito yung parang layout ko for this. So I have here also my graphic or a picture, okay, to add, you know, more to make it more presentable, kumbaga. Applying animation. So on your modules, you can check, right, the steps on how to apply animations. Um, Again, when we say animation, it is the creation of illusion of movements or motions, okay, in PowerPoint programs by applying it to the objects or text in your presentation. So if you want to make this animation text to move, okay, so you can apply the animation, all right, sa ating presentation. Alright, custom animation effects. So it allows you to control over the animation or to the object you included in your slide. So meaning to say, after we apply the animation, so we can still modify or we can still customize, okay, yung animation natin using this custom animation effects. So we can control or modify the speed, okay, of the movement, okay, ng text or ng animation na yun, or we can change the setup, okay, if we want to make it like move using or by clicking, okay, the keyboard or the mouse, or with previews or after previews. So parang we can change or modify the settings of the animation effects in our presentation. Alright, so storyboard. So once you are planning to create an animation output, okay, so you have first to create your storyboard so that you know what would be the sequence, okay, of your animation presentation. So kailangan gawin nyo muna bago kayo mag-apply or bago nyo gawin to sa PowerPoint. So you can use your bond paper in creating your storyboard kung ano ba talaga yung gagawin yung sequence by sequence. Okay, so it serves also as a guide, okay, on how are you going to create your presentation or the story doon sa gagawin yung presentation or animation. So again, it's a sequence of drawings, typically with some directions and dialogue, representing the shots planned for a movie or television production. Just like doon sa mga ginagawa ng mga movies or teleseries or yung sa DepEd TV na video lessons, they have their own storyboard, scenes or sequence by sequence. Kung ano yung una muna nilang gagawin, then after that, doon na sila sa next sequence para mas madali at para alam mo kung nagagawa mo ba ng tama, okay, kung may papatunguhan ba yung ginagawa nyong production or itong presentation animation nyo. And so it is a graphic presentation of how your video will unfold shot by shot. It's made up of a number of squares with illustrations or pictures representing each shot, with notes about what's going on in the scene and what's being said in the script during that shot. So nandun nakalagay kung ano yung sasabihin nyo sa sequence na to. Halimbawa, sequence 1, okay, dito papasok yung parang lilipad yung tao, ganyan, okay, or dito din muna mag-a-appear yung title, sequence 1, so title muna, parang ganyan. So yun ang para sa storyboard.